Disney's Art of Animation Resort has you covered with some of the most fun and functional family suites on property. But with 3 uniquely themed options, Cars, Lion King, and Finding Nemo, it can be tough to know which one is best to fit your crew. Let's start with Radiator Springs. Cars suites sleep up to 6 with a queen bed in the bedroom, a double-sized sleeper sofa, and a table bed that folds down Murphy style. The living area is spacious, with plenty of room for kids to sprawl out and parents to relax. There's also a kitchenette, a full bathroom, and a second smaller bathroom near the front. Next up are the Lion King family suites, which offer a totally different vibe, more jungle, less pavement. The living space has warm tones, leaf patterns, and some pretty subtle animal theming. The layout is the same: sleep 6, 2 bathrooms, a kitchenette, and that handy table bed that transforms for meals and sleeping. If you book a non-specified suite, chances are you'll be assigned a room in the Lion King section. And now, the most requested are the Finding Nemo family suites. These are the closest to Animation Hall and the main pool, which also happens to be the largest pool in all of Walt Disney World. Same floor plan, same sleeping arrangements, but the location here makes a big difference. You're just steps from the big blue pool, the splash pad, the food court, and the Disney buses. That convenience alone makes a Nemo suite a favorite, but they also tend to be the priciest of the 3. If your kids are into Dory Crush or Nemo himself, this suite will feel like home. The animation style artwork and wave patterns are everywhere, and it feels extra playful. The theming here is underwater and whimsical, with bright blues, coral shapes, and character touches throughout. No matter which you choose, all 3 give you extra space, 2 bathrooms, and a splash of Disney magic that standard rooms just can't match.